Welcome to week 6. It's a big week. We have a chapter in our book. We also have an essay for you to post. That makes it a little more work sometimes than usual. However, the rewards are bigger when you have more work involved. An essay can be hard to write, especially with the kind of essay prompts that we have here in a communication class. You might have 100 different things that you want to say, 100 different things that you want to emphasize. But if you try to emphasize 100 things, it's impossible to sort them all out. You have to prioritize. Prioritizing usually means that you are placing value on particular aspects more than others. And value is a strong word. What do you value most in these kinds of communication? And you bring those to the forefront. The things that you're not prioritizing doesn't mean they're not important. Doesn't mean you can just ignore them, that they'll just go away. But it does mean that you are choosing at this particular time with this particular communication method to emphasize certain things. Now, conflict is the topic of the chapter, and unfortunately that is a common topic in the workplace. As a manager, if you are one now or you are striving to become one, you may be surprised at how often there are conflicts which you are asked to step in and help resolve. It seems like people are bringing you an unending series of problems and expecting you to solve them. However, there's lots of different ways to resolve conflicts, lots of different ways to approach conflicts. And you may have several different parties involved, each with their own style, and then you bring in your style to it. That's a complex mix. You need to be able to step back in your own mind at a stressful time and sort through what needs to be done. You need to be able to prioritize while you are in the middle of an emotional situation. That is not an easy task. Managing is not easy. Communicating while managing is not easy. This is your chance in an academic setting to try those skills out. I look forward to these essays. I like to read them. I enjoy commenting on them occasionally. I like to follow your thoughts, your back and forth as you pitter-patter back and forth via responses to your classmates and they to your main posting. This is the way we learn. We're adults. We're not expecting the textbook to have all the answers. We're not expecting the professor to be the font of all wisdom. You are all bringing something to the table, and these essays allow you to bring something big to the table. That's why this is a good week. If you have questions, as usual, the professor's office is the place to go. My big tip of the week is when you write your essay, let it sit for a day, go back to it, and then take another look. Little things will jump out at you that you didn't realize at the time you were writing. Maybe you used the same word over and over, or a grammar lapse suddenly jumps out at you. You may even find that you need to rearrange some of the elements to smooth out the style. 24 hours is a wonderful luxury if you have it, to go back and take a second look then before you post something as big as an essay. We will see you there on the discussion boards.